Hello friends, welcome to Shonapsa's classes. Today we are solving the IIT JAM Physics 2019 paper. Here the question from the thermal physics. So the isothermal compressibility is given by what? Here four options are given. So now what is the isothermal compressibility? The isothermal compressibility is a measure of relative volume change with pressure at constant volume. So isothermal compressibility can be written as isothermal compressibility is the relative volume change is the negative relative volume change. The negative relative volume change with a change in pressure at constant temperature. So here this is the relative volume change with the change in pressure at constant temperature. This is the isothermal compressibility. So isothermal compressibility can be written as K equals to minus of, this is relative volume change with the change in pressure. So this is volume change with the change in pressure, and here this is the relative volume change. So this is del V into 1 by V, del P at constant T, at constant temperature T. So K is equals to relative volume change means relative volume change means this del V by V. Relative volume change means this del V by V. So we have this 1 by V with a negative sign, this del V with the change of pressure, with the change in pressure. So del V, del V, del P at constant temperature T. So here the option is minus of 1 by V del V del P at constant T. The correct option here is C. This is the expression for isothermal compressibility. So if you have any query regarding this question, you can contact us in this number. This is 98367 93076. You can contact us in this number. This is 98367 93076. So that's all for today.